Welcome to English Trail.
Okay, don't move. Don't say anything. Just look at that.
At what? The window?
The guy outside. He's been standing there for 10 minutes staring at his phone like it personally betrayed him.
Laughs. Maybe he's waiting for a text back.
Or he's lost, or he got stood up. We'll never know. That's the tragedy of city life. 100 little stories walking past you every day, and you only get 1 second of each.
That's oddly poetic for 8 in the morning.
I contain multitudes, Ryan.
Sure you do. All right. Should we tell them what day it is before you start narrating strangers?
Oh, right. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. This is day 7.
Day 7. 1 full week. That deserves a little applause, honestly.
It does. If you've been here since day 1, thank you for sticking around. And if this is your first time landing in this room with us, don't worry, you haven't missed anything you can't catch up on. We're not doing grammar charts here. We just talk. You listen, your brain quietly absorbs stuff, and one day you notice you understood a joke in English without translating it first.
Which, by the way, is the best feeling.
Second best. Coffee is first.
Fair. Speaking of, did you end up going to that new cafe? You said you'd check it out this weekend.
I did, and I have to say, I was skeptical, but it completely won me over.
Won you over how?
Okay, so first of all, the place was packed, like standing room only, which usually makes me want to turn around and leave. I hate waiting around for a table.
Same. There's nothing worse than hovering near someone's chair, silently begging them to hurry up and finish their sandwich.
Laughing. Exactly. But this time, the guy at the counter said it'd only be 5 minutes, so I figured, why not? I'll stick it out.
And?
Worth it. Totally worth it. The coffee was rich, not bitter at all, and they had this little pastry that basically fell apart the second I touched it.
Okay, now I'm hungry. And it's not even 9.
You're always hungry, Ryan?
That's not fair. That's not... Okay, that's fair. But look, I get like this sometimes where I skip breakfast because I'm rushing out the door, and by 10 I'm basically useless. My brain just shuts off.
You should fix that. Set an alarm 10 minutes earlier.
I keep meaning to. I even bought one of those overnight oats jars, the ones you prep the night before.
Did you ever actually use it?
Once. It's currently being used as a pen holder.
Classic. That's such a buy the equipment, skip the habit move.
Guilty as charged. Anyway, enough about my terrible morning routine. Tell me more about this cafe. Is it somewhere you'd go back to, or was it a one-time thing?
Oh, I'll definitely go back. Actually, I was thinking we could go together sometime. You'd love it. It's got that cozy, quiet corner vibe. Good for reading or just people watching.
People watching, like you were doing 5 minutes ago with sad phone guy outside?
Exactly like that. It's a hobby.
It's basically your whole personality at this point.
I'll take it. Okay, but seriously, are you free this weekend? We could go Saturday morning before it gets busy.
Saturday should work. I've got a thing in the afternoon, but mornings are open. What time were you thinking?
Maybe 9? Early enough to dodge the crowd, late enough that we're not zombies.
Deal. Text me the address later so I don't wander around lost like our friend outside the window.
No promises. You do have a track record of getting turned around in places with more than 2 streets.
One time. That happened one time, and it was raining, and my phone died. There were extenuating circumstances.
Sure. Extenuating circumstances. I'll remember that next time you're 20 minutes late.
Wow. Okay. Moving on, can we talk about something other than my questionable sense of direction?
Fine. How was your weekend, actually? You disappeared on me Sunday.
Oh, I ended up going hiking with my cousin. Total last-minute plan. She called me Saturday night and just said, "Pack a bag. We're leaving at 7.
No warning at all?
None. I almost said no, honestly, because I was tired and kind of looking forward to doing absolutely nothing. But then I thought, when's the next time I'm going to have a free Sunday and decent weather lining up like that?
So you went for it.
I went for it. And I'm really glad I did. Because the trail she picked had this view at the top that just, I don't even know how to describe it. Like the whole valley opened up below us, mist still hanging over the trees.
Okay, now you're the poetic one.
It rubs off, apparently.
Laughs. That's really nice, though. Sometimes the plans you almost skip end up being the best ones.
That's basically the moral of my entire weekend. Also, I was sore for 2 days afterward. So, mixed results.
Worth it, though?
Completely worth it.
Good. See, this is why I like Sundays being unpredictable. Every week you've got some new little adventure.
Meanwhile, my week's about to get a lot less adventurous. I've got a huge deadline coming up at work, so I think I'm heading into hermit mode for a few days.
Hermit mode, I respect it. Do you want me to check in on you, or do you disappear completely?
Check in, please. Otherwise, I'll forget to eat and just live on coffee and bad decisions.
Noted. I'll message you Wednesday. Make sure you're still a functioning human.
Appreciated. Genuinely.
1 week down. However this is landing for you, whether every word made sense or half of it flew right past you, that's completely fine. That's actually the whole point. You keep showing up, you keep listening, and little by little, it clicks.
And if you caught yourself understanding more today than on day one, even just a little, that's worth noticing. That's real progress, even if it doesn't feel dramatic.
So come back tomorrow. We'll have new stories, probably a new questionable life choice from Ryan,
Hey,
and you'll keep getting a little more comfortable, a little more confident, one conversation at a time.
see you on day 8.
See you then.